Hello students, I am Swati Ranade, faculty member from Computer Engineering Department of Vidyalankar Polytechnic. Today we are going to learn about SQL create table command. So let's discuss about create command first. It comes under data definition language, which is used to create database objects like table, views, sequence, trigger, synonyms, functions, procedure and so on. To create table in database, first we require that privilege, then only we can do that. So let's discuss about table. Table is a composition of rows and columns, or we can say it's a very basic structure to store data, where column indicates field to store data and row indicates the actual contents of a table. So here I have taken one example of a customers table where you can see various columns like customer ID, customer name, customer address and customer phone number, and every column has some data. So what type of a data we need to store, that will be decided by what data type you have used. So data type is nothing but what type of a value you are going to store under that column. So there are various data types present in SQL: numeric, data, character, Unicode, binary and some other kind of a data, miscellaneous data. So if I want to store any integer value, then I will be using numeric. If I want to store any date value, then I will be using date, or any character, then I will be using text. So as per our need, we need to decide what data type we need to apply for that column. So this is about syntax of create table command. So let's discuss about that. Create table, table name, where you need to mention your table name that you want to create in a database. Then the first column name and its data type. If you want to add more columns, then just give comma, then the next column name and its data type. So this is how you need to mention all column names and their data types. After completion of that, you need to close that round bracket, and that semicolon is optional. So see, in customer tables there are 4 columns are there. So if we want to create the same table into the database, so let's start with that. Here I have database browser, which is SQLite software. Let's start with a new database creation. Whenever you want to create any data or database, you need to create new database or select existing one. So this customer data is my database. After creation of that, you can see when pop-up is appear, just to create new table into that table database. So here I'm not going to prefer that. Just see the structure of this database. No tables are there. So if you want to create any new table, just click on the execute command, write down create, then table, your table name, then customer ID, its data type, suppose I'm taking numeric, then customer name, and I'm taking data type as a text. Okay, so I have taken here 2 columns. Just select this statement and click over execute current command. You can see table is created. Okay, just go in the database structure. Under the tables, you can see one table, customers. If you double click on that, you can see the structure of this customers table, where customer ID and customer name both are column names, and this numeric and text, these are the data types. So this is how we can create a very simple table in any database